How to get Roblox Account Manager 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you're going to be able to get the Roblox Account Manager in the easiest way. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here to a new tab and search up Roblox Account Manager Download. And again, if you want to get this for yourself, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get yourself the account manager. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to this link. Okay. And once you are over here, what you're going to do is simply click on this zip file over here and it starts downloading it. And once this zip file is done, simply open up this file, run the setup application, and that is about it. That is how you're going to download the Roblox Account Manager for free for yourself in 2025. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye. Check the link down in the description below to access Roblox right now.